Alright guys, thanks for tuning in again. Gonna be opening another pack today. Before I do that, last video got 2 likes, so I will reveal 2 extra codes. There's one, there's the other, there you go. Again, same goes for this video. The amount of likes I get, I'll reveal codes in the next video. So if I get 5 likes, I'll reveal 5 extra codes in the next video. So I'm just gonna open this guy up. And of course, this is the full art I got from the pack in the last video, which is pretty neat. Hopefully we get something decent here. Open this bad guy up. Starting with the Charmander there. Got a code. There you are. 34. Alright, starting with the Leaf Energy. Far-fetched. Box Gym. Coughing. Oh, Shining Magnemite. Very cool. Do not have this one. It's a really nice one to add to the collection. Very happy with that. One thing about coughing is I'm actually a little sick today. Not coughing, but a little stuffed up. And oh, full art Giovanni's Exile. This is a really good pack. This is a good pack. Awesome. Very pleased with the pack today. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll be posting another video tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be feeling a little better. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Good luck with the QR codes. Thank you.